Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So this is absolutely going to be very emergency video for all Dogecoin holder, because in this video I'm going to show you, my friend, the very shock news for all Dogecoin holder. You know what's the shock news? You can say first of all the price of Dogecoin this time 0.3 USD. So what's the main thing, my friend, I want to tell you in this video? The main thing is that, my friends, to I predicate this coin, I share my opinion, and absolutely what's the shock news? The shock news is that, my brothers, to Dogecoin is completely fails down from last 1 month, and exactly in the future there is a chance. So absolutely there is 100% chances, my friend, to this coin is wake up and go in the mood. If you can see, my friend, the last 1 hour chart, so just in only 1.17% the price is increasing now of Dogecoin. So just in only last 1 hour, it's a really great news for all of you. Today they will wake up and they will go in the mood. Now let's see, my friends, let's get started. This brand video. Kindly Dogecoin holder, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. This channel will guide you, update you every time, so you need to subscribe it now, man. Alright, so if you can see at this time the Dogecoin price is 0.3 USD, so it's mean to the price is come down from 0.7 USD to 0.3, so it's mean to 0.4 USD. This coin is lost now just in only in a 2 months, my brother. So the main reason, especially that, my friends, to when anonymous my friend invest in a Dogecoin, exactly they will take a very huge jump now, and this coin is going to be viral now. But after, my friend, the anonymous selling, absolutely this coin is very badly fails down, and originally, my friend, you can see at this time this coin is fails down from 0.7 USD to 0.3 USD. So absolutely Dogecoin is very bad, man. I hate Dogecoin. Elon Musk, absolutely. And Dogecoin is also going to be garbage, my friend, this time. But you know, Dogecoin, one is the fastest coin, so therefore if a holder starting investing, then I hope, my friend, this coin again touch the 0.7, not just 7 zeros, just 1 USD they will hit now, my brother. It's possible if a holder starting investing and wait for a good time. So I think Dogecoin is good coin, my friend, for a short-term investor, not for a long-term investor. So if you have any take a decision, my friend, if you want to invest for a long time, then please, there is a lot of option available, my friend, in the crypto market. Go now, invest in Dogecoin, Cardano, VChain, and like that XRP. This type coins, my friends, go now, invest for a long time. Don't invest in Dogecoin, Shiba, my friend, Kesho, this type coin. If you want to invest for a long time, so absolutely you are in the loss. So I just share my advice, my friend. I will just advise you, I share my opinion. Please hold it, don't sell it, and please research personally before you take any decision, selling, holding, or buy. So thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. The future is going to be bright now of Dogecoin. I know, my brother, in upcoming time, after our fails, every cryptocurrencies will wake up and take a huge jump. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to Dogecoin is also going to be viral now, so you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.